Hi, I'm Rosa. Thank you for joining me. Today I'm in my master closet and I've been working on organizing and decluttering this space as well as the rest of my home. And today what I want to work on is organizing a drawer to hold my workout clothing and my swimsuits. So thanks for joining me and thanks for coming along. And let me turn the camera around so you can see. Here's the overall view of my master closet. And that chest of drawers that you see right there, those are the drawers that I have been working on. And I had did one video before where I organized all my scarves in the bottom drawer. And I have things in the top two drawers, but those two middle drawers are where I'm going to be working today. Specifically, probably the third drawer down. And what I want to put in there are these items. The basket on the left has my swimsuits and cover-ups, and the basket on the right has my workout gear, my leggings, tops, cover-ups for working out, and I want to get them in that drawer. I've said before, this house is a house that we built, and I designed it, and I designed this master closet, and I knew it was going to be smaller than the one I had previously, but I was okay with that because I wanted to pare things down. And you can see my closet is stuffed. I have plenty in there and I have pared it down quite a bit. And that's something that I want to continue doing. I don't need as much as I had, so I'm okay with letting it go. And that top of the dresser, that's a project for another day. That's a mess and has been a mess for a while. So in here right now I have some workout clothing that I had been looking everywhere for and didn't realize I had already put it in here. So I try to go to the gym about 3 times a week. I try. And I take some classes as I'm on a journey to try to get healthy as well as decluttering my home. So that's what I use the workout clothing for. I want to use this other section for all my swimsuits and cover-ups. I previously went through my swimsuits and cover-ups and took out everything that did not fit and I no longer wanted. And I have stuff in here that doesn't fit, but I'm not quite willing to part with any of it. Because if I keep going to the gym, like the right side of my drawer indicates, then the stuff on the left side of the drawer could fit me. Or at least could fit me decently. We used to have a swimming pool, and honestly, I didn't use it as much as I should have, but I liked having it and I liked going swimming. Right now, we don't have a swimming pool, but we only live a few miles from the beach. So if we want to go swimming, it's close by. and good deal. I have my swimsuits, my workout outfits. This drawer is empty. And this bottom drawer I organized previously with scarves. So far it's looking really good and I'm pleased. I did go through my swimsuits when I folded them up and got rid of quite a number of them. This one still has tags. But I'm going to donate these so that someone else can enjoy them. This bag is full of clothing I pulled out of this closet to donate. So I'm slowly going through everything to see what I can get rid of and give to someone who could use it. Though this video was short, I hope you enjoyed it and you find some motivation and inspiration in helping you declutter your own house and the things that you need to get to. I thank you for watching and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.